Hello and welcome back to my channel, Slime Ranch. So today we're going to be playing Slime Ranchers. I played this game a little bit before, but I am going to play a new game just for this. Clearly there's clearly a few different icons that you can choose. Oh, yep, that one. I'm going to name it Slime. Adventure casual. I'll do adventure. Okay, let's do this. "1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far Range, Beatrix Lee Bew begins her first day as a slime rancher. Okay. Already I really like this game. I always did. Like, don't you just find those so adorable? Oh my god. Like I could just go, oh, fully land in. Oh, perfect. And you can't not like this game. Okay, let's start. This playthrough will probably be longer than usual. Oh god, yes. Eat. Eat the carrot. Eat the carrot. Chickadoo. Find these so cute that I'm just going to go die. Wee bop. This game is really fun, so I think you guys should try it out. Okay. Let's start. One of you will go eat that. When I played it, I only really got like a few minutes past. Oh my god, that's a lot of pink slimes. And they are all mine. Yes. Yes, give me. And whoop. Okay, so now that we have that, oh, yes. And delicious. Don't even know what that tastes like, but it is what it is. You can never have enough carrots. Actually, no, I don't need this right now. Ooh. Ranch house mail. I have not seen this before, but it looks amazing. Ooh. A stego ornament. I'm going to keep that there for now. Oh, that's sick. Do I give you a carrot? Oh, I just have to keep. Is this right? How many will you eat? Oh my god! This one is hungry. I need to go get more food for him. Ooh, new type. You're mine. Totally metal. Ooh, more. You're mine. Ow! God, they hurt. I think that was them anyways. So. Ah, God. Yeah, that definitely is them. You are mine. Death this way. Couldn't be that bad. Oh, hi. Ow! Run. Yes. Ooh. I need a key for this. Requires a slime key. Go. Go, 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 go. Okay. Ah! Ow! My God! Okay, I'm going. Oh God! I am actually going to be killed right now by one of these adorable little guys. Like, I can't believe that I'm going to be killed by one of these adorable little guys. Like, how? Oh, God! They're a menace to society. Think I acquired enough slimes for today, or whatever the time is in the actual game. I just really like the style of the game. Oh no! No! My slimes! Stay back in. Hey! Run away. Go back in there. In. I swear I saw one going flying over here. So from what I remember, yeah, you shoot those into there for money. Because I need more oh my God, that is beautiful. And mine. You. No, 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 no. Ah! Why'd you eat? I didn't even get any plus from this. Oh my God. What? Why are you usually on top of each other? What the hell? How are they on top of each other? Ooh. Activate. Higher walls. Higher coral walls ensure that even the bounciest of slimes will have difficult escaping. Music box. The music box plays a soothing tune that greatly reduces slime agitation. What do you mean slime agitation? I don't see no agitated slimes. And how do I know when a slime is agitated? Oh no! 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 Hen hen! Don't try and eat the hen hen. Hen hens are good. Airnet. An airnet is a force barrier that can cover the top of a coral. Can take a few hits before needing to recharge. So it's like a little roof. So that, again, they don't jump out. Okay. Solar shield. Solar shield will encase a coral in a dim shade, protecting slimes sensitive to light. Plort collector. Plort collector will vacuum up 2 types of plorts in a coral at regular intervals, depositing them into a storage tank so long as space is available. And the auto feeder. An auto feeder will drop food into the coral just at regular intervals. Just remember to keep it stocked and then demolish pot. Is there anything I can do over here? Oh, so there's the coral. A happy slime makes for a happy rancher. The garden, nothing beats the taste of food grown in your own backyard. The coop, keeping chickens in their place, preventing the uprising. Silo, you can't take it when you go, so put it in the storage. Incinerator, don't need it, burn it. That's harsh. This may be a little morbid, but there's a better way to get rid of something without having to spend money. So you can see how that was a little morbid, but then we got the pond. What are you going to do with this? Looks like maybe slimes can spawn in there. Not sure. Hey! No, I don't trust you. Get off of his head. Oh, you're not. Stop! Why are they connecting? Is this normal? How high? How much is it for the high walls? 350. Bam. Ooh. So 5, 3, 12. Oh, 5 short. Oh, that's okay. Actually, I did see another path over here, so I am going to take that. Is it blocked? Yeah. The overgrowth. The ranch's very own wild side. But is this not wild? Hello, Beatrix. The name's Hobson Twilger's Rancher. Explorer and the former owner of this here ranch you now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember and felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I've set off to find that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour and keeping this here land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for notes like these. If you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again, be talking to ya. H. It's most likely like the storyline. What's going to tell us the storyline? I really don't know what an agitated slime looks like. I assume they look different. Oh yeah, I can't. Sorry pink slime, but you can be sent to heaven. You agitated? Ah! You look at it. Do you want it? You. Well then that's my hen, which is an adorable name. And now I'm back here to feed you, big chungus. Okay. Will that work? Oh, I just missed. No, my carrot. How much will this guy eat? Oh. Huh. Oh, the slime key! That area that I found. Yeah. Let's go do that. Go, 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 go. This will probably unlock some area, which I'm really excited to see. Although it might just be nothing. Now I'm going to try my best not to get hit by these guys. Perfect. Okay. E. Da-da-da-da! Ooh, spooky. Indigo Quarry. I managed a mining project that quickly went bust. No slimes or anything. Oh! Oh, there's a few different types. Oh! Oh god. Ah! Oh! What are you? What are you? Ah! Boom slime. For these slimes have been known to explode. That's funny. You are mine, booms. Oh my god. Ooh. Treasure pod is locked. You Stony? Yes, you are Stony. Take you. Ooh. I know, I'll come back for these. And you are mine. Now this is going to take forever, but let's head back. Ooh, another one of these. I was always happiest when I was by my lonesome. Places like this old quarry really suited me. Nice and quiet and mostly empty. So I figured that life on the far range would suit me just as well. And well, wouldn't you just know it? I come all this way and find the first person I see. Well, she changed how I saw things, I guess. Quite wasn't good anymore. I liked her laugh. Yeah, I think that is actually starting to get into some, like, storyline stuff. I'm excited to figure out more of it. From what I've seen, this game will probably be a little while long. By little, I mean a long while. Because this game just has so much to explore. It's amazing. Oh my god, you can kick the slimes. That's adorable. Or am I the only one that finds that adorable? I feel like that is just me. But I'm not sure. Okay, let's go give these plots over. Maybe we can afford a few more coops. Not coops. Transporter. Oh, wrong button. Is it this? Yeah, it's achievements. So, plot peddler, or peddler, sell 100 plots at the plot market. Have I already sold 100? Oh. 500? I don't think I've done 500. Okay, I have no idea. Oh yeah, I have 460. Which one should I contain? Because I have more rock slimes, I'll keep them. Actually, should I buy high walls? No, I'll buy one of these. So, oh yeah, it does say their diet. Everything and veggies. When I did this, I did see Slimepedia. Slimes. Yeah, I've found Gordo slimes. I've found the boom slime, the rock slime, and the pink slime. Oh look, their favorite. Heartbeat. They have no favorite, that's sad. A Briar Hen, and do I have anything else? Gordo slimes. Sauce Slime's favorite. Okay. Well, then I'll feed. Okay, is this an agitated one? Okay, give me those balls. I want that plot. I want that plot. Hey! Go back in here. Okay, yeah, they're definitely starting to. How do they? Oh, I don't get this anymore. Okay, here we go. Actually, I'm gonna do a trick shot. If I land this, you have to like and subscribe. We don't talk about it. If I land this, you have to like and subscribe. Because I did a second try, you can at least like. You don't. Subscribing's your option. Actually, no. Subscribe because I got that second try, but liking is your option. Yeah. That's a lot better. 250. Isn't that enough to buy high walls? No, it isn't. Oh yeah, that's what it's enough for. It's enough for another coral. Nice. I'm afraid these slimes will explode because their name is a boom zone. I swear, if these explode, I'm going to be freaked out. Explode. Well, actually, don't explode. Oh! Oh! Why is that actually so adorable? Explode, explode. I want to see if it damages you. Ah, yes. Oh! That does a lot of damage. Oh, I want it. Oh, yes. Okay, yeah, I should probably stop and go and die. Ooh. Go. What's this? The grotto. A dark and gloomy cavern above the sea, and likely a dark and gloomy cavern above the sea, and a likely first chapter to that novel of yours. Oh yeah, there is a little passageway there. Wait, have I been here before? No, I haven't. Oh, another locked area? What's this? The lab. 10,000? Oh my god. That is a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go sell this plot real quick and then... Watch me land this first try. Yeah. Cut that clip out. Yeah. Hey. Why are you running around like that? Oh my god. This slime has the zoomies. Hey! No! Wait. Actually, I have an idea. One of y'all explode. Seriously. Yes! Ah! I'm trying to get one of you guys to explode on the pink slime. Just too scared, slime. Hmm? Come on, explode. Or can you not explode? Come on, explode. Oh, yep! Oh, it just hurts them. No, maybe it doesn't even hurt them. Maybe they're just invincible. What's this? Range exchange offline. Ooh. Is this just where I spawn? I'm not sure. Probably before I go, I'm just going to check this. Oh yeah, the Star Mail. Rise and shine from Casey. Hi B. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what that's like. Z7Z puts you in a pod and then lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far, far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clean as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. Probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. Still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to do it and just keep it short. Good luck, B. If anyone can make it out there, it's you, Casey. Welcome to the far, far range, the ZZ Corporation. Miss Liebau. The 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the far, far range. Welcome. And extend our support in your bold new adventure as a slime rancher. Support extended. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the range. Until you get familiar with your surroundings, traveling at night is not advisable. Lastly, should you require any traditional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier, the ZZ Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the local shop just outside your ranch house. Local shop. What do you mean local shop? Where's the local shop? Is this the local shop? Are you actually telling me this is the local shop? Probably is. But so far this has been a longish video, so probably going to leave it here. So I'm going to save and quit. And I found this really fun. Not sure if you found this fun, but well, fun watching. But hope you go well, and if you want a part 2 on this, make sure to we're going for a big stretch, but 10 likes and we can get a new video, like a part 2. Not sure how long the series will go. I'm not sure if you'll actually like this. This was just made purely a test to see if you guys like this kind of stuff. But if you do, and we can reach 10 likes, that'd be awesome. And maybe even while you're doing that, subscribe. So, bye, and hope you have an awesome day.